Okay, folks, coming down Bromley Mountain now. There's 30 right here. 30 and 11 coming down into Manchester, but we're still on top of the mountain. You can see how much snow's down there. Roads are covered. We're having that nasty nor'easter. It's about, I say 6:30 or so in the evening. I just dropped Sarah off. I'm on my way back. Pretty nasty coming down this mountain here. And then even plow. It's just coming down 1 to 2 inches an hour, so it's pretty piled up here, as you can see, down on the road. So the traffic's moving. You can see right there we're doing 20-25 miles an hour because it's really slushy. It'll get up to 30-40 around the corners, you'll slide right off. It's like grease. Go for a little bit here, and looks like everybody's doing good coming down the mountain here. But that's what's going on. I might be able to zoom it. You can see it once I get down the straightaway here. Not supposed to do on this driving, but trying to stay in their path. There. Now you can maybe see. Not really. Just makes it more blurry. Uh-oh, going off the side of the road here. Alright, I gotta cut out now and try to drive because I'm coming down the mountain and gotta pay attention now. So, I don't think there'll be anybody in a ditch down here. There's nobody yet. This is usually where it's pretty bad around here, so slide into each other. Well, looks like everybody's doing okay. I see nobody outside the road or anything, so. Alright. Thanks for watching, everyone.